Assalamualaikum and hi to Madam Tasnim and all of you guys. Today, I would like to talk about zoonosis. What is zoonosis? Zoonosis is disease from animal to human. Animal provide many benefits to people. Many people interact with animal in their daily life. Animal provide food, fiber, livelihood, travel, sport, companionships and education for people across the globe. However, animals can sometimes carry harmful germs that can spread the people and cause illness. These are known as zoonosis or zoonotic disease. Zoonotic disease are caused by harmful germs like virus, bacteria, parasite and fungi. These germs can cause many different types of illness in people and animals, ranging from mild to serious illness and even death. How do germs spread between animal and people? It can be because the close connection between people and animal. It's important to be aware of the common way people can get affected with germs that can cause zoonotic disease. They can include, the first is direct contact, coming into the contact with the saliva, blood, urine, mucus, face or the other body fluids on a affected animal. For example, this include petting or touching animal bites or scratches. Number 2 is indirect contact, coming into the contact with areas where animal live, rooms or object on surface that has been contaminated with germs. Example is include quarantines, water, pet habitat, chicken coop, barns, plants and soil, as well as pet food and water disease. Number 3 is vector bites, being bitten by the ticks or an insect like mosquito or a fleas. Number 4 is foodborne. Each year, 1 in 6 Americans get sick from eating contaminated food, eating or drinking something unsafe such as unpasteurized milk, undercooked meat or eggs or fruits that contaminated with food can cause illness in people and animals, include pets. Number 5 is waterborne. Drinking or coming in contact with water that has been contaminated with waste from the affected animal. Who is the higher risk of serious illness from zoonotic disease? Anyone can get sick from a zoonotic disease, including healthy people. However, some people are more at risk than others and should take steps to protect themselves and of family members. These people are more likely than others to get really sick and even die from affected this certain disease. This group of people include, first is children younger than 5. Number 2 is adult older than 65 years old. Number 3 is people with weaker immunity system, and 4 is pregnant women. The example of the zoonotic disease are bird flu, cat scratches fevers, dengue fevers, hepatitis E, malaria, coronavirus, and many others. What can you do to protect yourself and your family from zoonotic disease? People can come in contact with animals in many places. These include at home and away from home, in places like petting zoo, fair, school, stores, and parks. Insects like mosquito and fleas are tick bite people and animals day and night. Thankfully, there are things you can do to protect yourself and your family from zoonotic disease. The first thing is keep hand clean. Always wash your hand being around animal. If soap and water are not readily available, you can use alcohol-based hand sanitizer that contain at least 60% alcohol. Number 2 is know the simple thing you can do to stay safe around your pets. Number 3 is prevent bite from mosquito, ticks and fleas. Number 4 is learn more about way to handle food safely. And number 5 is be aware of zoonotic disease both at home, away from home, in chill in child care setting or school and when you travel. Number 6 and the lastly is avoid bites and scratches from animal. That's all from me. Thanks for watching this video. To all people outside, please stay safe from COVID-19. Bye bye.